Welcome students. Today I am going to discuss question number first of worksheet 3 of the chapter Time and Calendar. The question number 1 is find the sum. 2 hours, 10 minutes and 3 hours, 25 minutes. Students, here now we are going to add the time. To do that, you have to make two columns, one for hours and one for minutes. Write the digits of the hours in the hours column and the digit of minutes in the minutes column. Do remember to write them in at their places. Means ones should be written under ones, 10 should be written under tens. Here it is 2 hours 10 minutes, so I have written 2 under the hours column and 10 under the minutes column. You can also put this hyphens to separate these the hours and the minutes column, right? Now add it as we do as we add the sums. We are going to add it like that only. 0 plus 5 is 5, 2 plus 1 is 3. Again you can put this hyphen here, and 3 plus 2 is 5. So your time is 5 hours 35 minutes. Coming on to the B part, it is 4 hours and 5 minutes. Now students, here you have to write 5 because 5 minutes you have to write it in ones place. You can put 0 also here because this is empty, and 5 hours 45 minutes. So write 45 like this. Okay. Now add it. 5 plus 5 is 10, 0, 1 carry. Carry I am writing it like this, a small, you can write the digit, the smaller one, so that you will come to know that this is carry, or you can write the carryovers here also, or you can leave the place for the carryover also, as you used to do for the sums of addition and subtraction. So 4 plus 0 is 4 and 4 plus 1 is 5. So 50 minutes and 5 plus 4 is 9. So the answer is 9 hours 50 minutes. Now for C part, look at this carefully. So now here it is given 1 hour and 35 minutes and 9 hours, and also students, I have forgotten to put the sign of plus here. You have to write, because we are finding out the sum, so we have to write the sum of the sign of plus here. Now 1 hour 35 minutes, 9 hours 25 minutes. Add them. When you will add 5 to 5 plus 5 is 10, 0, 1 carry, 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 1 is 6. Now it has become 60. Okay, the answer is 60. Now we all know that 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. So we cannot take the time beyond 60 or 60 as in minutes. We cannot keep it in minutes, because we know that 60 minutes gets converted into 1 hour. So this 60 minute is equals to 1 hour. So we cannot put the hours things in the minutes column. So we have to shift it to this column. 9 plus 1 is 10 here. So 10 hours and 60 minutes, but 60 will get converted. So what will be the correct answer? This is equal to, now we will add 1 to this, 1 hour to this 10. So 1 hour to this 10. So it will become 10 plus 1 is 11. So your answer is 11 hours. This is your answer, not that. Okay students, you have to keep this in mind, that whenever in the column of minutes, if the time comes 60 or more than 60, then you have to convert it into hours and minutes, and you write the correct answer here. Next, D part. In D part also, the time is 7 hours 49 minutes and 8 hours 50 minutes. Now when we add both, we will get 99. 49 plus 50 is 99. Now we will convert this 99 into hours and minutes. To do that, you can simply subtract 60, because we know that 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. 60 from 90, it is equals to 99, it is equals to 9, and 9 minus 6 is 3, 39. So 39 minutes and 1 hour, 1 hour 39 minutes, right? So we will write 39 here and we will add 1 to this. So it will become 7 plus 8 is 15 plus 1 is 16. So the answer is 16 hours and 39 minutes. So students, I hope this concept is clear to all of you. Do the questions, the rest E and F part, this is your homework. Do it by yourself. Thank you.